Hello guys! Let's become a fairy princess today. So these are my super blue Pinky Paradise contacts. I wear these very often. They are my favorite contacts ever. Next, I'm moisturizing and priming with Glow Recipes Watermelon Dewdrops. I love these so much. They're new and they make my skin super glowy and I love it. Alright, pinning the hair back, let's get into it. I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk for my base for my face paint. Obviously, you don't have to be extra like me and use face paint. You can just use normal foundation or not even use foundation at all and do your natural skin. As soon as I started doing my makeup, my boyfriend called me, so I decided to blend it off camera, and now I'm a ghost. There's nothing special about this. This is just how I contour my nose. If you guys want me to do a contouring video, comment below, and I'll get around to go ahead and doing that for you guys. So I'm placing the contours on the bottom of my chin and my cheekbones just to give my face the illusion of being a little bit smaller. Next, I'm using the white in my face paint palette to highlight my nose because I usually do a very dark contour. So I like to go back in and re-brighten up the highlights of the bridge and the tip of my nose. Again, you don't have to contour your face. This is just what I always do and my makeup style. So if you would like to skip this, go ahead. That's perfectly fine. I decided I wanted to put some shadow behind my eyebrows, so I went ahead and blocked out my brows to prepare it for this beautiful collection from Colourpop and Hello Kitty. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Slay all day, says Hello Kitty. Come on. I love this eyeshadow palette. I was so excited to use it. So for this look, I decided I wanted to do super like blown out, smoky, like, I don't know. It's just a moment, okay? So let's just go with it and we're just gonna enjoy it. I decided to add some color to my brows to give it like a shadow effect. So when I do my brows, it looks, I don't know, dimensional. I'm using this pink shimmer shade, picking it up with my finger so I get the most color payoff possible. Then I go back in with a fluffy brush and just get rid of any harshness. I wanted this look to be very soft. Going back in with another Colourpop palette called Fade into Hue, I'm grabbing the pink glitter and putting on the inner corner just to give it a really pretty, like magical, like, I don't know, almost dewy look. Using another Colourpop palette to add the highlight to my brow bone. Once again, going back in with a fluffy brush to soften it so there's no harshness to the eye makeup. Boom, pink eyebrows, I know, iconic. Going back in with the Colourpop Sailor Moon blush. You guys, this is not sponsored by Colourpop at all. They are like the best though. I love Colourpop. So I do often contour with my blush. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. Doing a nice little C shape up into the temple. I decided to add some pink to the creases of my mouth. I don't know, I was feeling it. Going in with my face paint with the brown, I'm adding the weird little like cosplay smile lines. I don't know the real terminology for it, but that's what they are. Adding my freckles as always. Come on now. So I flip my brush backwards and use the bottom of my brush for the white, so it's a really opaque white, and I add the white freckles. Next, adding some mascara to finish up the eye makeup. More blush. There's never enough blush. I love blush, obviously. I'm going back in with my face paint palette for my lips. I use my face paint palette a lot, probably the best investment I've made in 2020. I'm using the pink shade in the center and then just like buffing it out with my finger. Then I go back in with the red color and add it to the center as well, and then add it to the Cupid's bow to give it more of like a defined lip look. And once again, blending it back out with my finger. So to finish up the lip look, I'm using Colourpop's Luxe Lip Gloss in So Chilly, and this is from the Hello Kitty collection. It smelled amazing, I must say, and feels awesome on the lips. Alright, we're almost done. Next, for the wig. Yes, I cut off like all my hair, guys. I know, it's crazy, but it had to be done. So I like to do 2 wig caps because I'm extra, and adding my elf ears. Oh my god, I love it. And wait for this. Ready? Baby Yoda. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. Oh my god. Who is she? Yes, you have to gas yourself up, guys. You better be your biggest fan. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because the next video is going to be me turning my boyfriend into a fairy boy. I hope you guys are enjoying our content. Leave a comment, a like, and please subscribe. Until next time, I love you. Be nice.